Hey, a reminder, Tiny House Summer Camp coming up in September. This is one of the cabins we built as a group of novices, yes, just recently. You'll tour tiny houses, live demos, guest speakers, and more. RelaxShacks.com. All right, here goes. My kids or my daughter, we grew some wildflowers. And the entrepreneurial spirit that's in them wanted to sell some of them. So they put an honor system roadside stand out here. They built the stand, which is also for sale. This is a box I had. We went bottle hunting and they found these bottles and washed them and cleaned them. Anyone that takes the flowers gets these super cool bottles as well. They're not just like peanut butter jars. And if you don't want to spend any money doing this, by the way, this is all made from like pallet wood and free wood and some leftover paint. I had this box I found on the side of the road, did not have the keys for it, didn't want to buy a cash box, so we could try to make this whole operation for them with nothing. So the simple idea was I took a grinding wheel, cut a slot for the money, and because I can't lock or unlock this, I took a timber lock hex head screw and a couple washers and bored straight through the whole box and into the support of the table. So now this is secured. People can't steal the cash box unless they take the whole entire table. It'd be very tough. And when I'm going to open the box, I just back this out, take the screw out, and it opens readily. And the cash is safe. Didn't have to spend any money, save something that was on the side of the road. Just thought that might be a cool little tip for some of you out there. Especially if you had roadside stands. Why spend money on something like this? You could use a file cabinet box, several other styles of metal boxes, repurpose them, give them new life. Simple timber lock screw, some washers, and it boards straight through here. It keeps it locked and keeps it secured to the table. Just thought I'd share that with you guys.